Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev. Students, today we will start a new lesson in geography, lesson 9, and the name of the lesson is Climate of India. In this lesson, we will study about the climate and then how it is influencing, what are the factors influencing the climate, and how India has been protected from this hot and cold winds. Then we will also see about the seasons. All these seasons together only is climate. And then we will also see about the distribution of rainfall. Half the lesson today we will complete. So I will give you the brief description of the lesson Climate of India. First, we will see the northern part of India, that is how it is protected. Himalayas in the north stop the cold winds coming from the Central Asia. That means Himalayan mountains saves our country, saves India in the northern part from the cold winds coming from the Central Asia, and protects North India from intense cold. So these Himalayas, they protect North India. Already we observed that in North India, especially in Delhi and all, and many other places, Jammu Kashmir and all, we see that it is very cold in winter season. Very cold, even sometimes water freezes, even at homes. So still, though we feel it is very hot, apart from that, it is very cold, but still our India has been protected by the Himalayas from the intense cold. Then we see the Tropic of Cancer is dividing India into two halves through equator. Equator जो line है वो इंडिया के बीच में से पास होती है. So it is dividing India into two parts, northern part and the southern part. And the northern part lies in the temperate zone. So the northern part of the India, which is being divided by the equator. So the northern part of India being divided by the equator, we are in that northern part is in temperate zone, and the southern part is in tropic zone. Students, because India, the climate of the India is called as tropical monsoon climate, because India's climate is very good, not very hot, not very cold, but it is called as tropical monsoon climate. Now we will see the factors influencing the climate. Factors influencing the climate. There are 5 factors. Influencing means how they are affecting और इनके कारण climate कैसा change होता है. And there are 5 factors. First one is latitude. Latitude. A place at the latitude determines the climate. That one particular place determines the climate, the place which is at the latitude. And the second one is altitude. You know, students, altitude, we see the hill stations are cooler in summer season. Why? Hills are hilly. लोग समर में हिल स्टेशंस घूमने क्यों जाते? Because there it is cooler. Because when the places when we go away from the equator, the air lessens there and the temperature is cooler comparing to the place near the equator. Like, because of this, the place in India, we see the Tamil Nadu, the temperature of the Tamil Nadu is warmer comparing to our Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Jabalpur. Our climate is colder comparing to Tamil Nadu. Then the third one is distance from the sea. Fourth one is direction of prevailing winds. And the last one is ocean current. These are the 5 factors influencing the climate: latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, direction of prevailing winds, and ocean currents. In ocean currents, the movement of the water, the movement of the water in ocean affects the climate. Next, we will see the seasons in India. Usually, next topic which we are going to cover in this chapter is seasons of India. There are 4 types of seasons. First one is winter season. That is December to February. Then second one is summer season. March to May. Third one is rainy season, also called as monsoon season. June to September. And the last is retreating. Retreating season. This is November to September to November. So there are 4 types of seasons: winter season, summer season, rainy season, and last one is retreating season. We will also study about the distribution of rainfall. Now I will not write on the board, just I will tell you. Distribution of rainfall. As you know, heavy rainfall, there are few places where we can see the heavy rainfall. And one more thing I want to tell children, not necessary ki if in one particular state, if this year there is very heavy rainfall and it will continue in every year. No, sometimes because of these changes, the place which is usually have the heavy rainfall, sometimes it go to moderate rainfall or less rainfall, scanty rainfall, and sometimes they may have floods too. So the first distribution of rainfall